212 all over 99999. This is the value of your x for number 1 question. Now we are asked to express the following as fractions. Whenever you are asked to express a decimal number, a fraction, it means that that decimal or the irrational numbers. Now, how do you know a rational number? A rational number must have a repeating values. Look at this now. We have 0.212121. You see that continuously 21 is what? Repeating. And here you have 3.002150215. See that the what? These values are what? Repeating continuously. Now, how do we express this in fraction? Now, the first step you will take here is to let us solve A, which is our solution. Now, make the first one, let x be what? 0.21212121 ... Now, this is our first what? Expression. Call it your equation 1. What are we to do next? We are to what? Pick out the number of repeating values. You see that in this word decimal number, the repeating values or the repeating blocks are 1. And how many are there? They are what? Into 2, which is 1 and 2. Now, because the repeating block is what? Are 2. They are repeating twice continuously. Now, it is going to be simplified as what? 100. Because of this, the zeros are going to be 2, which is what? 100. Now, what are you going to do? You will use the 100 to what? To multiply both sides, which will now give us 100 times x will give us 100x equal to 100 times 0.21. You're going to be having 21.212121. Then dot. Now, you're going to be calling this your what? Equation 2. Now, how do you express this now in fraction? You subtract equation 1 from equation 2, which is 100 minus x, which will give me 100x minus x, 100x minus x, and then this one you have 21.212121 ... minus this 0.212121 ... Now, after doing this now, 100x minus 90 minus x will give me 99x equal to 21.2121 minus this. You see that this and this now subtract, and what will remain here is 21. If you press this on your calculator, you're having 21. Now, what is next? You have to divide here by the coefficient of what? X. And then your x here turns to be what? 21 divided by what? 99. What can go in both? 3. 21 divided by what? By 3 will give us what? 7. And then 99 divided by what? 3 will give us 33. And then this is the what? The fraction expression of this what? Decimal for A. Now, how do you solve for what? For B. If you have watched to this extent, you can make a screenshot and keep. Let me solve B. Now, for you to solve B, you have this, and from the explanation I've given, let x be what? 3.00215, and here you have here 0215, and then it continues. Now, how many repeating blocks are you having here? You're having 00215, and then the repeating blocks are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is what? 5. So you're going to be expressing this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 100,000. Now, what are you going to do? You'll be multiplying 100,000 on both sides. Here you'll be having 100,000 and x equal to, when you multiply this to this place, the whole of this will now come out, and the point will continue from here. You're now having 300,215 dots. 0215 ... because it is continuous. It is what? Continuous. They are repeating. Now, having reached to this extent, what are you going to do? You'll be subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Don't forget that this is your 1 and this is your what? 2. Now, 100,000 x minus x, you'll be having dot 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 minus this which you have here, 3.00215 dot 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 continuously. Now 100,000 x minus what? Minus x, you having 99,999 x equal to, when you have this subtracting what? This, don't forget this and this are already going, so what you be subtracting is 5 minus what? 3. If you have your calculator, you can do it, but the main point you take is the last point of this is 5 and the last point of this one is what? 5. Don't forget that they have the same what? Values, the decimal values. Now you just say 5 minus 3, you're having what? 2, which is 30021 what? 2. Now how do you find your x? 99999, and then here you'll be having 99999. Cancel this and cancel this, and then this is the value of your what? X. So the value of your x here is what? Let me write it completely, which is 300,212 all over 99999. This is the value of your x for number 1 question.